We are here with you at Highland Flats. This is a young living farm in Naples, Idaho. Collectively, the 10 of us have over 75 years of experience with young living essential oils. We know our favorites, we know what we love and why we use it. We want to tell you why you're going to love these oils too.
So what are essential oils anyway? An essential oil is a natural, aromatic, volatile liquid that comes from plants. What makes them so essential? Well, they carry oxygen and nutrients within the plant, and they're part of the plant's regenerative process. Unique compounds of the plant give each essential oil its characteristic aroma and therapeutic properties for our bodies and our emotions.
Not all essential oils are created equally. Young Living's Seed to Seal promise means that all of our oils are sourced from our partner farms, our Seed to Seal certified suppliers, and our corporate owned farms like this one here in northern Idaho. This means that we know where our seeds come from, what is in the soil, what goes on and around the plants, meaning we never use toxic chemicals, pesticides, or herbicides. We know when it's harvested and how it's distilled, so we can fully trust what's in our bottles. You can learn more about our environmental stewardship at seedtoseal.com.
Okay. After long days of driving a skid steer, I love stress away. Okay, totally kidding. I don't drive these every day, but what I do drive is my mom-mobile with 4 kids. And my absolute go-to just to calm down, whether it's traffic or whether it's from a screaming 4-year-old, is stress away. Put some on my wrist, rub some on the front of my throat, and I'm telling you, calm just comes over me, and I'm sure you're gonna love it too.
I spend a lot of time on a treadmill or in the gym, and sometimes I just need a little soothing for my body. I grab Panaway. It's also a great one that I love to have on hand after a long day in heels, or when I wake up in the middle of the night and maybe need a little soothing. It's the go-to oil for me when I need relief fast.
So just 1 drop of peppermint vitality is the equivalent of 26 cups of peppermint tea. So it is amazing for digestion and also really refreshing. When you drink a cup, it just opens everything up and is so easy to breathe. The other thing that I love to use peppermint vitality for is anything baking, especially with chocolate. It's great in brownies, smoothies. Use it to your heart's content. It's amazing.
When I really want to breathe easy, I use Raven. I use it in a chest rub and it just smells so amazing and it really opens me up. I love also putting it in my diffuser. It smells like a spa in my house. It's truly, truly amazing.
This is lemon vitality oil. This is actually cold pressed from the rind. There are so many uses that you're gonna find with this amazing bottle of oil, but some of my favorite is to actually add it to your food and it brings out the great flavor. Also, I'm not a huge water drinker, or I should say I used to not be a water drinker until I discovered putting the lemon into the water. Not only does it taste great, but there's so many benefits and you're going to benefit from it too.
Give your body an overall health boost with Thieves Vitality Essential Oil. This dietary supplement is a blend of 5 essential oils and it supports multiple systems of the body. A couple ways you can use this fantastic oil is to combine a drop with your Ningxia Red or put a drop in your hot tea. Your immune system will absolutely love you for that. If you're looking for respiratory support, this is a great oil. Put a few drops in an empty capsule and swallow that. And lastly, ditch your air freshener and diffuse this oil for a really warm and inviting aroma. Thieves was my family's gateway oil back in 2009. After my husband had fantastic results with his immune system with this one oil, we were totally sold and in it for life.
Digest Vitality is one of my favorite oils. In fact, this was my first aha moment with an oil. This is super supportive of your digestive system. It's easy to remember how to say it because it's digestive energized. Now don't worry, it's not gonna make your digestive system go out of control or anything. It's gonna help your body balance. And so for me, one of the ways that I have used it is when I have a little bit of coffee with a little bit of cream, my tummy is not so happy. This is where I got my aha moment. Throw a couple drops in a capsule, put a drop in a shot of water and shoot it back. Whatever it takes, get some digest in your system and you will be so glad.
Peace and Calming is one of our signature blends, and it's one of my favorites to use with my kids. I like to put a drop on their pillow at night or just rub it on my hands and cup my hands over my mouth and breathe it in deep just to bring a calming, soothing aroma, and it changes the whole dynamic of our home.
Frankincense is one of my all-time favorite oils. If I know I'm gonna have a rough day ahead or I had a rough day, I grab my frankincense, I rub it all behind my neck, and I run to my diffuser and I put a couple of drops in there, and I just feel calm all over my body. It is also great for healthy skin, and you can find it in our Boswelli wrinkle cream. It is the main ingredient.
Oh, lavender. This is my very first introduction to Young Living and the first farm I visited in France in 2004. We call lavender oil our Swiss Army knife of oils, because if you don't know what to use, grab your lavender. It'll do it for you. So let's think about a couple different things that you're going to use lavender for. First thing I love it for is calming and relaxing at the end of a stressful day. A little bit on the back of my neck and delicious on my wrists. It is great for skin support. I love to put it on my skin after I wash my face, and it's terrific to diffuse in your bedroom at bedtime for the best sleep you've ever had. You will never leave your home or be at home without your bottle of lavender.
I love Citrus Fresh Vitality. It tastes so good in my water, and I love to also put it in a veggie capsule because it really supports my immune system and my lymphatic system. When I put it in my water, the reason I love it is it has so many different citrus flavors as well as spearmint, so it's super fresh.
Okay. Filming. One of our favorite oils at my house is Valor. Valor's an old favorite. We all love this one for courage. We use this one when we need some bravery, when we're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, when things are going crazy at work or at home. Valor is a go-to. Maybe I'm gonna put a few drops on my wrists and just breathe those in. Maybe it's going in my diffuser, and sometimes I'm putting it on my kids before they go to school if they're perhaps a little reluctant to do that, or even before they get up for that Christmas performance that my daughter did not want to get on stage for this year. Valor to the rescue for that one. This is our favorite emotional oil. You will love it as well.
One of my favorite drinks is our super antioxidant drink, Niccole Red. This comes in handy packets or in bottles. This is going to help you and your family have a healthy immune system. We like to take this on vacation. I also send it to school in the lunch boxes for my kids so they don't have those super sugary drinks. I love Niccole Red, and we often say to people, when we drink this, our bodies actually thank us. And I believe yours will too.
Thieves Household Cleaner is amazing. It is my favorite cleaner ever. It's all natural and it's a concentrate. Just one capful can go in a spray bottle like this. You fill it up and you can use it to clean everything from countertops to tubs and tile and even toilets. It's awesome.
This is the way to purify and clean your hands. Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. It's full of powerful essential oils and plant-based ingredients. This is something that I always keep in my purse. We keep one in my car. My kids keep one in their bag when they go to school or co-op or wherever they're going. So this is a great one to always have on hand. Love it.
You can get all of these oils in the premium starter kit, and it also comes with the Desert Mist diffuser. This diffuser changes 10 different colors and lasts up to 10 hours. I love it in our bedrooms, and we also have 3 downstairs in all of our common spaces. I can assure you, you're gonna want more than one once you get it in that premium starter kit. We wanna thank you for joining us and watching this and learning all about Young Living essential oils and how they can benefit you and your family. The person that sent you this video really cares about your health and wellness and can't wait to help you get connected with our community. Thank you, and we're so excited to have you join us.